I know what place to stay.
I think the neighbor's pig got out.
Off grid, away from ordinary plans. A real family place where you can also bring your friends. And you can
get on home, pig.
Rolling read.
Get on home, pig.
Get a rolling read ranch where they got it all. Make you take a second glance.
Get on home.
Watch the chickens dance. Yeah, you can have it all at the rolling read.
Get on home.
Ranch at the rolling read. Yeah, you can have it.
See you later, fat pig. Hey, welcome back to Rolling Reed Ranch, Rolling with the Reeds. Got us another project. I found something to do. I think this is was a kids clubhouse. A kids clubhouse. The grandpa, I guess, or the daddy had built for the kids, whoever previously lived here. Hannah and it's another name, Cassidy. So I'm assuming this is a little kids, little girls clubhouse. But we're finna turn this into a chicken brooder. Got some baby chicks coming. So we're gonna turn this into a chicken brooder. It's gonna be perfect. So chicken brooder, first thing first, I gotta do. This front is about to fall off. I mean, it's not on there, it's a rotten piece of wood up under here. Rotten piece of wood, it's not even connected. So I need this out the way. So I'm gonna chop this down real fast. Okay, got it cleaned out a little bit. I'm gonna get in there and spray foam these cracks. Not too many, but spray foam these cracks in. And I'm gonna put a wire mesh over the window. Use wire mesh, regular wire mesh. Hang the heat lamp from the ceiling in there. So I just gotta get a little hook to put at the top to hang the light. Cover up these windows, mesh these windows in, and fix that hole on the front door somehow, and then add a latch to that front door, and that's it. All right, close the, make sure the extension cord's at the top. Let's see if you shut. Perfect. Cool.
Put that latch now.
Yeah, just gotta put the latch on the outside. That's it.
That looks good.
All right, well.
Oh, I'm in front. See myself on camera.
Yeah, I got that bonnet. Got that bonnet. Let me see that wire mesh, baby. We in the money. Cool.
Where's the kids when you need
Right,
them?
where the kids? Small spaces. Was a little simple little latch here on the inside. Just gonna take that latch from the inside and put it on the outside. All righty. Chicken brooder is done. Oh, son. Just need to put some straw in here. Got the lamp up in here. Can let that down if need be. I doubt I'm gonna need it because it's not a heat lamp yet. It's just a regular bulb. But once we put the heat lamp in here, should be good to go. Got the front door fixed. Bam. Got the screen on the wire mesh on the windows. We all good. We ready for some chickens. Getting our meat birds in a few days. They get delivered the 25th or 23rd, one of the two. But that's it for a little short video today. Chicken brooder video. Just something simple. Turned this old clubhouse, little girl's clubhouse, Cassidy's and Hannah's clubhouse, into a chicken brooder. It's off the ground. That's what I love for one off about it already. It's off the ground. I mean, Grandpa did a really good job building this clubhouse for them girls, for his grandbabies. So it's nice. It's nice and sturdy. I mean, it's up there. It ain't coming down, so it's perfect for a chicken brooder. The roof is on good. No evidence of water damage in the inside at all, so I know it's not getting wet. So the roof is good. So there's no water damage in here at all. But I just put a little insulation over them cracks a little bit just to keep out some of the breeze, but it'll be all right once this heat lamp come on. And it's still the summertime. And they're only gonna be here for a couple weeks, but we're gonna use this for now on. So next spring when we start over with the meat birds, this is where they're gonna start. This is the brooder. For 2 weeks, I don't know how many this will hold for about 2 weeks. Let me think. It should hold quite a few. At least, I would say at least 50. At least 50 baby chicks in there. For 2 weeks till they get some feathers. But that's it. It's a little short video today. We got 2 windows on it. So get some air circulation through there when it get too hot. But that's it. Thanks for watching. A little short video, chicken brooder video today. Getting ready for some chickens. We're gonna put some wood chips in here. So get those ready. And next video you'll see is when the chickens come. Peace out.